Good afternoon. This is John Headding, Mayor of Morro Bay, speaking to our community today to give you an update on the COVID-19 issue as it's affecting our community. As of today, March 26th, the county has experienced 54 cases, positive cases that is, of COVID-19, a number of which are in Morro Bay. On the 14th, we had one case in the county, and so we continue to see increases in the number of cases. Not to alarm you, but the importance of sheltering in place, adhering to strict social distancing guidelines, and if you're in a high-risk group, especially those over age 65, especially with secondary conditions like lung disease or heart disease, diabetes, or immune system problems, you need to be especially careful. You need to make the assumption that anybody that you don't know that you come into contact with may be what we call an asymptomatic carrier of this virus. So it's important to keep our distancing. I wanted to update you on a few announcements with regard to Morro Bay. Effective tomorrow, March 27th at 6 p.m., the city will be prioritizing your health and the health of the public in general. Morro Rock, the beach parking lots, and the boat ramp will be closed. The closure will allow us to minimize the spread of this virus, and commercial fishing will be allowed to continue, but not recreational fishing. We're doing this to protect large groups from gathering and being too close together, thereby not accomplishing the social distancing that is necessary to eradicate this virus and its transmission. We're encouraging our residents, of course, to get outside. One of the important aspects of both physical and mental health is to maintain your exercise, but do it in isolation with family members that you know are not infected. But always distancing yourself at least 6 feet away from other individuals. Take a walk, go on a run, take a bike ride, but do so responsibly and recreate close to home. We're going to require beachgoers to limit outings to no more than 1 hour. We must all work together to do our part to limit the spread of this virus, and we must expect strict compliance, and enforcements will be strict as well. The boat launch ramp closure comes just ahead of local rockfish and salmon fishing seasons. We know this. This decision has not been made lightly. We are a fishing community, and we are very proud of that. While we always have looked forward to the start of these recreational fishing seasons and welcomed fishing individuals or fishermen to our community to enjoy recreational fishing, we feel it is the right thing to do for the health of our community and the well-being of others. The ramp will remain open only for commercial fishers because commercial fishing is considered an essential business by our county and state. We're also encouraging would-be visitors and tourists to explore their own hometown at this time. This is not the time to welcome in visitors from outside. It is important for all of us across the state to shelter in place. We know this has a tremendous impact on our hotel, motel, and vacation rental industry, and we really sympathize with the downturn in business that is being experienced here locally. But this is the right thing to do in order to protect the public's health at large. Morro Bay will welcome back all visitors after this pandemic has been fully addressed and we flatten the curve, so to speak. I want to remind you about some support programs. You can always go to readyslow.org. That is the county's website that contains a lot of information, a lot of resources. We'll give you up-to-date information on COVID-19 and the current activity in our county. Also, reminder about our local program. We care about you. Our city's Morro Bay's Care program for our residents and local businesses is in existence. You can sign up for daily wellness checks and be connected to volunteers who will be willing to pick up groceries for you, medications, or other items for our most vulnerable population. You can sign up at the city's website, www.morrobayca.gov/COVID-19 is the website. If you have questions or concerns, you can call the hotline that the city has opened at 805-772-6278. Or if you're able to volunteer and you'd like to sign up for some volunteer programs serving our community, you can do so again at www.morrobayca.gov/COVID-19. The City of Morro Bay cares about you. City government is still open for a business. We're only operating essential services, as many of you know, and we're very grateful to our community workers, and we respect the work that they're doing for our community, working on the front lines to protect you and I while we get through this pandemic issue. Our priority is to protect you and your family and our neighbors during these challenging times. We're a small, close-knit community. With everyone working together, we can do this and get through this. Our senior food program is still operational, and if you would like to donate to it, you may do so to Meals That Connect, and that phone number is 805-541-3312. Again, Meals That Connect, 805-541-3312. Thank you. Stay safe. Be well. Distance yourself, and we'll give you updates soon.